Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you my facial skincare routine and I'm going to be using these St. Ives scrubs. So I'm going to be using the one that makes your skin even and bright. And first I'm just rubbing plain water on my face. And then we're going to take a nice dollop of the scrub. And we're going to scrub this into our skin. Now make sure you get your entire face. And don't forget your neck and your chin area. As when you put on makeup, you must always remember your neck and your chin. Be careful of your eyes though. Don't get it in your eyes. You could even take the excess and put it on your elbows to scrub away any dry patches. Now you just rinse it off with plain warm water. I have to remember to stop making those faces on camera. Now I'm just taking a clean towel and I'm dabbing my face dry. Next, I'm taking my moisturizer, and that's Collagen Day Cream. And that has Dead Sea minerals in it. I'm just going to smooth that around my face until it's fully absorbed. Dun dun dun! See how nice and supple and how soft and glowy my skin looks? Don't forget to subscribe and press that notification bell. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.